Is there any formula for saving money? Want to know? Please watch complete video carefully. Hi, this is Uday from ECSMF. In this video, you have been coming to know about a formula which can be a guide for your monthly saving. This formula exists of 50-30-20 rule, which briefs you about what are your needs, what are your wants, and how you can save. 50-30-20 rule is all about saving in 3 steps: by limiting your needs, defining your wants, and saving up. Need is something that is necessary for one to lead a healthy life. So need varies for individual to individual, for a single to a married, and for a married with 2 kids. So we have broadly categorized into 3 different people. One is single, and the second one is married, and third one is married with 2 kids. As you can see the screen, it's been bifurcated into multiple expenses which falls under needy expenses. Want is something which you don't really need, but you would always want to have. Similar to needs, here also we have categorized into 3 different people. One is a single, second is married, third is married with 2 kids. Here I would like to point out certain differences between what is need and what is want. Need, you don't have an option. You have to spend to have a good quality life. Whereas want, you always have an option of spending or not spending money. So here is where, as you can see the screen, you can see a broad list of expenses which falls under wants. Then comes step 3. In this you have to save. So as I have told in a lot of other videos, saving is one of the difficult tasks for anyone. So after all the expenses, you have to start saving for your emergency fund, for your retirement, as well as for your child education, and for wealth creation. As per the formula, if you limit your needs to 50%, wants to 30%, you could save 20% on a monthly basis. So let's see category wise for single, married, and married with 2 kids, how it works. First, let's take the singles as the example with income of 65,000. If you see a single with 65,000 income will have a general expenses in the tune of 40,000 and wants or optional spendings to the extent of 25,000, which will completely take care of his expenses. If you apply this 50-30-20 rule, if he limits 50% of the spending, which would be 32,500 for needs, and 30% to wants, which is around 19,500. If he limits these 2 expenses, he could actually save 13,000 on a monthly basis. Similarly, we have also provided earlier video, as per our earlier videos, which is specifically meant for monthly savings for singles, wherein in those suggestions you can actually limit your spending for need-based expenses to the tune of 20,000, and when it comes to our wants or optional-based spendings, you can limit yourself for 10,000. If you can do that, you could actually save 35,000 on a monthly basis, which is really a decent amount. You can watch this video on our earlier video slides, which is in the series actually. You can see that. Let's apply this 50-30-20 rule for married with 2 lakh income bracket. So if you normally see the expenses can be in the tune of 1.2 lakh when it comes to need-based expenses, and wants to the tune of around 80,000 on a monthly basis. If you can apply this 50-30-20 rule for the same income group, you can say if you limit your needs to a lakh, which is 50%, and wants to 60,000, which is 30%, you could actually save 40,000 on a monthly basis. Similarly, we have also come up with a video which gives complete suggestion when it comes to how to limit your spendings. There we have actually suggested certain things wherein if you follow it, you could save to the tune of 80,000 on your need-based expenses, and similarly for wants you could save meaning you can spend till 80,000 and you can spend to the tune of around 20,000 for the bonds. In turn, you could actually save by just doing some modifications to the tune of around 1 lakh on a monthly basis. Just watch this video on which will be there. You can in the playlist itself for married, how to save for married couple. When it comes to married with 2 kids, the expenses are far more similar to the ones of married with 2 lakh income. Here we have just mentioned 2 more kids as this thing. Normally, if I could see something in the tune of on a monthly basis, you may have an extra spending in the tune of around 30 to 40,000. But still, we have maintained it as 1.5 lakh as a normal expenses plus 80,000 as bond-based expenses, and bit of a saving for 20k, which can be made out of this. What I would, if we apply this 50-30-20 rule, then if you save on 2.5 lakh, 1.25 lakh for if you spend 1.25 lakh on need-based expenses, and 30% is on 75,000 for wants, you could actually save 50,000 on a monthly basis. And we have also come up with some suggestions on our earlier videos for married with 2 kids, wherein if you could actually spend, you can limit your needs to the extent of 1 lakh and wants to the limit of 20k per month. You could actually save in the tune of around 1.3 lakhs on a monthly basis. Kindly watch this video so to know more about the how to save for married with 2 kids. Now you know what is 50-30-20 rule is, right? So start saving using this rule and invest using our ECSMF app, which is available in Apple App Store as well as Google Play Store. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe and comment, and please download our ECSMF app.